In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a transparent animated GIF in Canva. If you're using Canva with a premium plan, exporting an animated GIF with a transparent background is quick and reliable. Before we start, make sure your design already includes the animation you want. You don't need to add or change any animation here. We're simply focusing on how to export it so the background stays invisible wherever you use it. Also remember, only the empty areas of your canvas will be transparent. If you have a solid color or an image covering the background, that space won't be see-through in the final file. When your animated design is ready, head to the top right corner of Canva and click the Share button. From the menu that opens, choose Download. This takes you to the Export panel where you'll decide your file options. Under File Type, open the drop-down and select GIF. This ensures you're exporting an animated image rather than a static picture or a video. Once GIF is selected, look for the option labeled Transparent Background. This is the key setting, and it's available with a premium plan. Turn that on. With this toggle enabled, Canva will remove the canvas background in your exported file, leaving only your animated elements visible. If that option is grayed out, it means the design is on a free plan or the feature isn't active on the current account. After you've chosen GIF as the file type and switched on transparent background, click Download. Canva will prepare your file, which may take a moment depending on the length and complexity of your animation. When the download finishes, open the GIF to preview it. You should see your animated artwork with no solid background. Some preview apps display a checkerboard pattern to indicate transparency. That pattern won't appear when you place the GIF on a website, slide, or design with a real background behind it. A few quick tips to get the best result. GIF transparency is binary, which means pixels are either fully transparent or fully opaque. If you're using soft glows, drop shadows, or subtle gradients at the edges, you might notice a slight fringe on certain backgrounds. Keeping edges clean and high contrast usually produces crisper transparency. Also, animated GIFs can become large if they include many frames or complex motion, so expect longer export times for intricate designs. That's all there is to it. Click Share, choose Download, set the file type to GIF, enable transparent background, and download your file. You now have a clean, transparent animated GIF ready to use across your projects.